FB President Alan Peter Cayetano. Bakit niya Mr. Maravillas yung FB President? Nag-session po sa FB Live. Parang matanda na sa akin si Cheese. Mas matanda ako sa kanya. Nung na-interview ko siya dito, nung unang tumakbong senador, tapos nung first time naman congressman siya, station manager ako ng DCMS Sorsogon. Kasi pati siya tinanggal. Loren Ligarda insists Senate leadership reorganization invalid. Di ba Senate pro tempore siya? Ayan, pinalitan siya ni Sherwin Gatchalian. Si Sherwin na ngayon ang pumalit sa kanya. Press release, mga kababayan, galing sa Congress. Basahin ko sa inyo. Press release, June 3. Speaker D congratulates acting Senate President Gatchalian. House prosecutors ready.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu na lipungan. Pulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Pulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
So, mga kababayan, kumusta kayo? Si Dante Maravilla. O di yung Senado ngayon, work from home. Pero gustong mag-session na si FB President Alan Peter Cayetano. Bakit niya Mr. Maravilla yung FB President? Nag-session po sa FB Live. Ngayon, nung isara ng bago presidente, acting president, ni Sherwin Gatchalian, kasi gusto silang mag-committee hearing, gustong mag-sesyon, burugsokan talaga niya Mr. Maravilla. Renesling na siya ni, ng new majority. Tinanggal na siya, effectively, tanggal na. Kasi ang sabi, may isa pang senador na maghuhudas. Ito yung sinasabi na ni Marcoleta na masahol pa sa hudas. Kasi sila yung mga hudas. Tracing hudas sila. Ngayon, yung tracing hudas, hinudas ng mga kasama. Unang naghudas si Cheese Escudero. May isa daw, babae. Sino niya, Mr. Maravillas? Yung babae. Basta babae daw, babaliktad. O ngayon, basahin ko sa inyo mga kababayan. Itong naging statement ni Cheese Escudero, biglang lumitaw kahapon. Parang matanda na sa akin si Cheese. Mas matanda ako sa kanya. Nung na-interview ko siya dito, nung unang tumakbong senador, tapos nung first time naman congressman siya, station manager ako ng DCMS Sorsogon, young congressman sa Sorsogon, 1996. Sabi ni Cheese Escudero, post niya to, the current impasse niya in the Senate is untenable and unacceptable. Nakapag-isip-isip siya. When political divisions become too extreme and obstruct our mandate, we must all have the courage to pause, gain perspective, reflect, consider, and realize that we should put the Senate as the institution that we serve above ourselves. Hindi ito usaping politika. Wala akong sinasamahan o iniiwang grupo pagkat o paksyon. Hindi ko sinasabi na may mali o tama o may nagkulang o nagmalabis kanino man. Ngunit hindi pwedeng manati tayo sa ganitong sitwasyon. Ang naapektuhan na ay ang mismong kakayahan ng Senado na gampanan ang kanyang tungkulin sa bayan. Ito ang rason at dahilan ng aking pasya. Ngayong araw na to, iniling ko ang inyong pag-unawa sa amin. Kasabay ng inyong panalangin para sa inyong Senado na malampasan ang hamon na ito at patuloy na magampanan namin ang aming tungkulin sa inyo at sa sambayanan. Correct. So, di winilcome siya. Kaya sabi po ng magkapatid na Tulfo, si Rafi Tulfo, lalo na. Lahat na niya, ini-invite namin, lahat. Yung kami niya, ini-invite din nila na sumama sa kanila. So, parehas lang yon. So, mali na i-recruit ng minority, yung majority para umani, para makapagpatuloy sa pagtatrabaho kasi sinasabotahin ni Alan Peter Cayetano yung sesyon. Kaya ngayon nga, tawag natin sa kanya, hindi na Senate President, kundi FB Live President. Nagsisesyon siya sa FB Live, kaya tama lang na tinanggal siya. O ngayon, si Alan Peter Cayetano, gustong persona non grata ng congressman ng Julio Ledesma IV. Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, you are a disgrace to the Senate. As a former member of the House, you have done this twice for trivializing duty as a legislator. I'll urge the LGU of 1st District ng Negros daw to declare you persona non grata. Ito si Alan Peter Cayetano. Nag-insist pa, napakawalang iya. We will proceed with the Blue Ribbon Committee. As Senate President, I have authority over the Senate premises Do not padlock the Senate. Do not use rallies as an excuse, as there are always rallies at the Senate. Kung gagawin ninyo, papalitan lang ako, di ako hahadlang. Pero if you try to burn this house down, you are in for one hell of a fight. Lalaban daw siya, sabi dito sa Inquirer News. Do not padlock the Senate. Senator Alan Cayetano, who padlocked the House of Representatives during a leadership dispute in 2020, urged the new Senate majority not to padlock the Senate after Blue Ribbon Committee hearing scheduled for Thursday was moved to June 8. Noon, pinadlock niya yung Congress. Ngayon, yung ginagawa niya, ginawa ng Senado, huwag daw ipadlock. Iyan ang gawain mo eh. O, di ba? O, ito, mga kababayan, yung utos ni Sherwin Gatchalian. Inabandon mo yung trabaho mo. Sherwin Gatchalian allows Senate staff to work from home on day of Alan Peter Cayetano's Blue Ribbon hearing. Work from home anya kayo. Hindi kayo makakapasok doon kasi bago na yung Senate security. Hindi na siya plus ka. Tanggal siya plus ka. Ngayon, ayaw sumunod ng Senate Secretary, pinalitan din. Kahapon, may bagong Senate Secretary pinasumpa. Senate President Pro Tempore Sherwin Gatchalian on Wednesday evening authorized Senate offices to shift to a work from home setup ngayong araw, June 4, saying there was no official business on that date. The work from home setup coincided with the hearing of the Blue Ribbon Committee on the flood control measures announced by Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, saying he was still the legitimate legal and moral Senate President. Cayetano said the hearing on the Blue Ribbon Committee would proceed as scheduled on Thursday. Hindi yun mangyayari. Na-secure na po. May mga PNP na doon. Sinecure na. Unang-una, nirecognize na ng Palasyo Malacanang yung bagong Senate leadership, including Congress. So, illegitimate ang grupo po ng transaksyon. Illegitimate. Malacanang recognizes legitimacy of new Senate majority, sabi po ni Yossi Castro. Iniutos ng ating Pangulo. Yan ang sabi niya kahapon. But there is the need of cooperation from the leadership. Ito na nga po. Kaya nang magsalita yung ating Pangulo, biglang bumaliktad si Chis Escudero. Iniwan sila, mga kababayan. Kaya itong mga statement ni Loren Ligarda, may statement dito si Loren. Kasi pati siya tinanggal. Loren Ligarda insists Senate leadership reorganization invalid. Di ba Senate pro tempore siya? Ayan, pinalitan siya ni Sherwin Gatchalian. Si Sherwin na ngayon ang pumalit sa kanya as Senate President pro tempore and acting President. Kasi hindi ba mag-function as Senate President si Alan Peter Cayetano? Ngayon, mag-full-time na siya as FB President. Facebook Live President Alan Peter Cayetano. Deserve niya kasi imbes mag-sesyon, mag-preside sa Senado, nagpe-preside siya mag-isa. Kahapon pala, dalawa sila. Para lang sabihin ni Marcoleta na walang kukurap. 12 is not 13. Alam ng grade 1 student yan, sabi ni iyaking Senator Pia Cayetano. Ngayon, sabi ni Ping Lacson dito, ang pinag-usapan namin, hihiling kami sa Pangulo. Special session daw. Ang pinag-usapan namin, hihiling kami sa Pangulo para tumawag ng special session. Hindi lamang tungkol sa impeachment, kundi tungkol din sa nabinbin na confirmation ng Navy Captains, Armed Forces Colonels para maging generals. Ang dami po, mga kababayan, na nabinbing trabaho, sinasabotahe yung trabaho, pero ang ultimate nilang objective, isabotahe po yung impeachment. Sa kumpas ni Sara Duterte, yun ang malinaw doon. Kala ninyo, uubra kayo sa pagmanipula ninyo. Hindi kayo ubra. O, ito yung order ng bagong Senate President. O, ito yung utos. Work from home. From the office of new Senate President. Legit. Kasi yung illegitimate yun. So may bagong Senate majority. Work from home arrangement on June 4. The committee chairmanships and memberships having been declared vacant and to give way to the organization of committees under the new chairperson. No official business has been scheduled tomorrow, June 4, 2026. In light of these developments and to preserve the neutrality of the Senate bureaucracy, all Senate Secretariat and Senate proper offices are hereby authorized to work from home. On the said date, the events of these past weeks have affected not only the ability of the Senate to fulfill its mandate, but more so the morale of its employees who have quietly been holding the line, doing their sworn duty despite the untenable political climate which they had nothing to do with. The officer or employee shall be deemed insubordinate, absent without leave, or otherwise administratively responsible for opting to avail of the arrangement. We wish to assure all employees that they will not be made to bear the burden or suffer adverse consequences of circumstances that are not of their making. The Senate leadership remains committed to protecting their welfare, preserving their professional integrity, and ensuring that no employee acting in good faith shall be subjected to intimidation, retaliation, or unwarranted administrative action. Please be guided accordingly. Signed, Sherwin Gatchalian, Senate President pro tempore. Checkmate na. So, siyempre, susundin ng mga empleyado si Sherwin kasi the Senate majority ngayon, grupo ni Sherwin. At ang grupo ni Sherwin, yan ang recognize ng Congress, recognize ng Palasyo. Ngayon, ito yung press release, mga kababayan, galing sa Congress. Basahin ko sa inyo. Press release, June 3. Speaker D congratulates Acting Senate President Gatchalian. House prosecutors ready for July impeachment trial. Ito yung tama. Talagang purposely ginugulo ng grupo ni Cayetano yung Senado para hindi po matuloy yung trial. Malamang pinupunduhan na lahat ito, mga kababayan ni Sara at ng Chinese government. Ginugulo tayo. May foreign hand, mga kababayan, na nasa likod nito. Ginugulo ang Pilipinas. Huwag tayong papayag, mga kababayan. The House of Representatives on Wednesday congratulated Acting President Sherwin Gatchalian, expressing confidence that the Senate would continue to discharge its constitutional duties as House leaders led by Speaker Faustino Boji D. In-house prosecution panel welcome the chamber's return to full functionality. Nagpa-function na ngayon na maayos. On behalf of the House of Representatives, we extend our warmest congratulations to the Acting Senate President, Sherwin Gatchalian, on your assumption of this important responsibility, sabi po ni Speaker D. At the time when our nation looks to its institutions for stability and leadership, a fully functioning Senate is essential to advancing legislation, exercising oversight, and upholding democratic governance. We are confident that under your stewardship, the Senate will continue to discharge its constitutional duties with integrity, independence, and dedication to the public interest. We wish Acting Senate President Gatchalian every success as he leads the chamber in addressing the challenges and opportunities before our country. The House leadership statement came as members of the House prosecution panel reiterated their readiness for the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte, which is expected to begin in July. Prosecutor Terry Ridon of Bicol Saro Party List said the prosecution team remains focused on its preparation, regardless of changes in the Senate leadership. Ready po ang prosecution panel. House trial spokesperson si Alonto Adjong likewise emphasized that the leadership changes are matters internal to the Senate. The recent leadership changes in the Senate are an internal matter of our co-equal chamber. We fully respect the decision and prerogative of the senators, sabi po ni Alonto Adjong. Kita ninyo? Sabi ko sa inyo, mga kababayan, yung Congress, matitino yung ating mga congressmen. yung mga senador. Kalahati yung mga nasapian po ng masamang espiritu. Kasi nga po, false teacher yung leader nila. For our part, the 11-member House Prosecution Panel remains fully prepared and it is steadfast carrying out its constitutional mandate. We are confident in the strength of the evidence and trust that the senator judges will faithfully uphold their solemn duty to conduct proceedings with fairness, impartiality, and fidelity to the Constitution. Takot na takot kasi po si Sara na mabunyag yung 6.77 billion. Alonto Adjung also extended congratulations to Gatchalian and expressed confidence in the Senate continued performance of its constitutional function. We likewise extend our congratulations to the new acting Senate President. We wish him wisdom, success, and steady leadership as he guides the Senate in the discharge of its legislative and constitutional responsibilities. The prosecution remains focused on its evidence, the constitutional process, and the timely resolution of the impeachment trial. We look forward to the trial proceeding in accordance with the previously announced taglines, sabi po ni Alonto Adjung. So it is the greatest act of public service when we put the interest of the people in the country above ourselves. Correct. Today we have seen this in the collective decision of the Senate new majority. They deserve our support and congratulations, sabi naman po ni Barbers. With this act, the people can now expect that their elected leaders will move forward in tackle the pending matters at hand, aimed at continuing progress and exacting accountability. The developments were welcomed by House officials as a step forward ensuring that the Senate can continue its legislative work and perform its constitutional responsibilities, including acting as an impeachment court in the trial of the Vice President. Wala na, tapos na ang history, mga kababayan. Nalampasan din niya si Camilo Sabio ni Alan Peter Cayetano. 14 days siya, 22 days yata as Senate President with zero accomplishment. Achievement ni Alan Peter Cayetano, mga kababayan, yung the Senate is under attack. Yan ang accomplishment niya. Then yung pagtakas ni Bato de la Rosa. At yung another achievement niya, yung pakikipagpasuhay. Ano yung pasuhay? Nakipagdiskusyon kay Secretary John Vic. Sabi ni Ping Lacson, buti nga hindi siya binigwasan niya, no? Ni John Vic, malagi yung katawan, no? Buti hindi niya siya binigwasan. Sabi ni Atty. Carlo Ibanez, the rockstar vlogger, Cayetano Black maghihiring daw sa ibang binyo. May chismis na itutuloy ng Cayetano Black ang kanilang committee hearing ngayong araw. Pero dahil nagdeklara ng work from home arrangement si Senate President Pro Tempore Win Gatchalian, ang balita ay balak nilang gawin ang hearing sa ibang venue. Kung totoo ito, nakakatawa lang dahil maalala ko noong congressman pa si Alan Cayetano noong 2020 magsesyon ng Congress sa ibang venue at doon siya napatalsik bilang speaker. Galit na galit siya. Ang sabi niya noon, walang ibang Congress kundi ang nasa batasan. Para sa kanya, hindi pwedeng basta maglipat ng binyo para magsagawa ng official action. Pero ngayon, kapag pabor sa kanya, pwede pala ang Senate proceeding sa ibang binyo. Yan ang problema kapag siya ang dihado, bawal. Kapag siya ang makinabang, pwede. Ano ba ang tawag sa taong palaging nagbabago ng paninindigan? Depende sa kung ano ang convenience sa kanya. Di magsesyon siya, magtayo siya ng sariling Senado, FB Senate. Ano?
Secretariat and to the Office of the Sergeant of Arms to keep the Senate open tomorrow. We will have the Blue Ribbon Committee. As
Wala
Senate
na.
President, nasa authority ko po ang premises.
Hindi ka na Senate
ng
President.
Senado.
Ang latest ngayon, DILG Secretary John Vic Rima was seen entering the Senate today as protesters gathered outside the John B. Grimolia, isi-secure na yung Senado, voicing their sentiments on current political issues. The simultaneous presence of government officials and demonstrators underscored the heightened public attention surrounding the developments taking place inside the chamber. Tapos na sila. The floor of the session hall has been arranged on Thursday morning to accommodate the scheduled Blue Ribbon hearing of the Cayetano Block. Despite the reorganization of the Senate on Wednesday, inarrange daw. Tingnan natin, pumunta si John B. Crimolia kasi baka magkagirian, mga kababayan. Iyan ang mga developments ngayon ng mga balita. Ito si John B. Crimolia, dumating sa Senado to maintain peace in order. May conflicting memorandum kasi si Alan Peter Cayetano tapos si Win Gatchalian. Anyway, mga kababayan, yun na lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa ating programa. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless. Spreading and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.